Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Maggi ramen. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 packet of Maggi noodles and about 2 cups of water. Next, you'll boil the water, then add the noodles and seasoning. Finally, we'll explore some delicious ways to customize your ramen, making it a truly satisfying meal. It's a quick and easy dish perfect for any time. To begin, ensure you have 1 packet of Maggi ramen noodles. You'll also need approximately 2 cups of water. Consider adding fresh vegetables like chopped carrots or spinach, and a protein such as a soft-boiled egg or cooked chicken. Having these ready will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, allowing you to create a more wholesome meal. Now, let's cook. Pour about 2 cups of water into a pot and bring it to a vigorous, rolling boil. Carefully add the Maggi noodle cake to the boiling water. Let it cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until the noodles are tender. Then, stir in the entire seasoning packet until it's fully dissolved and evenly distributed throughout the broth. To elevate your Maggi ramen, consider adding some delicious toppings. A soft-boiled egg adds a creamy richness, while chopped green onions provide a fresh, crisp bite. For extra protein, stir in some cooked chicken, shrimp, or tofu. Serve your customized ramen immediately in a warm bowl to enjoy its comforting flavors. Get creative and make it your own.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.